How to log into TD Bank. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in TD Bank login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login. Click on that option. Under that, you'll find the option of online banking. Click on that option. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in your username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your TD Bank. So this way you can easily log into your TD Bank account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.